Rabbits, those enchanting creatures that hop into our lives, offer a unique and heartwarming companionship. Beyond their fluffy exterior lies a world of gentle personalities and interactive charm. Adaptable to indoor or outdoor living, rabbits become integral members of families, fostering bonds through their social behavior and willingness to engage in playful antics. Their simple joy in munching hay or exploring enriches our lives, while their litter training ability makes them remarkably manageable. Rabbits teach responsibility and empathy, making them ideal pets for children and adults alike. In their twitching noses and perky ears, we find a source of comfort, joy, and a lesson in the beauty of simplicity.